everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am in the beautiful prefecture of Chiba, just riding around on my Saturday, and what I wanted to do is quickly stop here and do a review of this product. This is the Carabc DB601. Carabc contacted me some time ago asking whether or not I'd be interested to introduce this product and do an unboxing of it. I've seen various of the videos out there. It doesn't have as wide as a population on YouTube, or I haven't seen many videos on YouTube about this, just a few here and there, and that's the reason why I was open to see what it's all about. So you would have seen on my channel, I've already done a review and an unboxing of a 7-inch and 5-inch as well, right, from competitors from the Carabc. I've done a comparison between the 5-inch and the 7-inch, and the feedback from many people on the 7-inch, it's just too big. That's the reason why I was quite open to seeing what the screen is like for the 6-inch. Now, this is all CarPlay, as many of these products are these days. Carabc, they are on the market already in automotive, but this is the very first one I believe that they're doing for motorbikes. And what's great about this as well, this one just integrates into the BMW Whiz Wheel, which is, for me, is very beneficial as well, given the fact I've got a BMW motorbike, right? So what I really wanted to do is I wanted to just see what the experience is for the 6-inch, because like I just alluded to, the 7-inch monitor, people said it's too big. Let's unpack it, let's see what it's like, let's install it, set it up on my motorbike, and what I'll do after that is I'll just buzz around Chiba a little bit to see whether or not it is to my liking as well, right? What do you get in the box? You get a manual, and it has English, it has all the setup. You can also mount it into a different cradle, it looks like. Yeah, so it's quite an intuitive manual that you get with it. Right, let's put this away before it all blows away. Great, let's just put that there. Okay, first, my impressions of the device. It feels very solid. It feels great. The only thing is I probably would have appreciated maybe a little bit of ribbling on the side to ensure that when you've got gloves it doesn't slip out of your hand. It's not a big negative for me. It's not hugely slippery. It's just that I feel that these kind of devices, given the fact that you're probably wearing gloves when you operate them, maybe some kind of ripples on it. And so let's see how it installs into the cradle. Okay, that's clicked in. That's just right, that's locked in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it up on the telephone to see how easy it is to connect to the device. A lot of sun here. Carabc, that's what it says there. Right. Let's see if it shows up as a Bluetooth device for me. Going to Bluetooth. Let's do a quick recording. Carabc E797, there it is. And it's connected. That's great. That's how easy it was. Right, gathering that this screen here is CarPlay, yes. Cool, connected, great. That's it. That's how easy it was. I'm connected. That's very impressive. That took me literally just a few seconds to set up. That is fantastic. I'm very happy about that. Let's see about music. There's my applications. Loading. Yep, there's all my music. Let's just put on a glove, see what it's like operating it with the glove. Yeah, it's very responsive. There is no issues there whatsoever. It's very easy to operate. Reacts really, really well to the touch of the screen with my glove. Integrates completely with the BMW Whiz Wheel. I can scroll through all the function buttons. Let me just show you here. Okay, this is how you just scroll around. You just turn around and you scroll, and then you can just select it. So what I like about this is it's probably the same as what the Chige's got, is it connects directly to your headset via the telephone. So then not like from telephone to the unit and then to your headset. I don't like that. That's created some issues for me. Whenever people call me, for some reason I struggle to pick up. At times I can't answer. So yeah, if this doesn't have that kind of issue, then that's a really that's a game changer for me. Right, so let's head out on the motorbike, do a little bit of a tour around Chiba and see how it functions, operates and behaves. Back to you in a minute. Okay, no music. So I'm guessing what you need to do is you need to sync your headset directly with the telephone again, which is what I prefer, right? So let me just do that. Yeah, I prefer this, guys. I mean, for me, this is better. I prefer my headset to be directly linked to the telephone than, like I said, by going from headset to unit to telephone. And get my route going again. Starting CarPlay. Perfect. Yep. Exactly where I left off. So we're going to head off now. Go for a little ride. Brightness is good. Brightness is all good. Yep, I can scroll through the functions. You see I'm turning on the BMW Wonder Wheel or the Whiz Wheel I'm turning, and I can go through the screens. Yep. Works great. Works perfectly fine. That's great. All you do is you hold down the menu button up for a few seconds and it changes from your TFT, from the motorbike, it changes then to the screen of the Carabc. Very intuitive, very easy to set up. I'll almost say it's a higher density screen. Pixelization is higher. Obviously it's a smaller screen so you get, you know, a better quality, but yeah. I do like the quality of the screen. It's very, very clear. The lettering, the words, the font. Yeah, it's a good quality screen, for sure. So what I've done now is I've just done a U-turn, and I've got the sun now behind me just to see how the glare is. From what I can see now at the moment, it's no issues, because the sun's coming behind me. It's not shining directly onto the screen, but obviously it's very overlit. Perfectly fine. I can see everything perfectly fine. There. Leaning back. Sun is right on it. Yeah, the glare it's no issues. You typically would expect that a little bit of a glass reflection from the screen. Yeah, nothing. I also noticed that there is a protective layer on the screen, which is great, because I've had it with other units. Yeah, with my gloves, there was something on my gloves and swiping, whatever, yeah, scratched it. It's just sometimes it's too cumbersome to use the BMW Wonder Wheel. You've got to just do quickly an operation and quickly, you know, stick your finger on the screen. So I do like that. So in the event you do, you know, muck up your screen, you can just replace that protective layer as well. That's great. That's an advantage. That's a bonus. Okay, let me just see if I can do a test call. I don't think it's a good idea if we go from head unit to CarPlay device and then to your telephone, because you've got that, you know, that second piece of kit or in the middle, sitting in the middle and acting as an interface. So I prefer this. I prefer directly my headset directly into the telephone. I've just made a test call just now. Works perfectly fine. They can hear me using the microphone of my helmet and the earphones as well. So yeah, big thumbs up on that as well. Tested that. Works great. Again, the sun is completely behind me and I don't have like a massive glare. You can see it perfectly fine. Works great. Well everyone, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something, hope you found it of use for yourself. Got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Don't forget, I've also got a discount code, an affiliate link. I'll pop that in the comments as well. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all on the next one.